Is there a simple way to make this? A couple of $100 and up at this time. When I say simple, I'm referring to the fact that it's not complicated. 90% of the work is completed for you with just a few button clicks, and then you'll be able to earn money immediately. Only a few of the more than 300 a variety of ways and tactics are achieving money online has passed the test and is now available for purchase. Only a few of them are successful and have shown to make money. This website is completely free of charge. Investment is not required and is currently available for everyone on the planet. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn money. Even if you're at home, you can make money online. Follow the instructions on your phone or computer and keep an eye on the video and make sure you don't miss anything. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. I'll show you one of the tricks in this video. I'm not talking about the most inconvenient ways to make money. I'm talking about small change here. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars here. So I'd like you to go visit latium.org once you've finished watching this. Visit their main page to learn more. Take a look at various features. So when I scroll down, I can see some of the projects I've worked on. People make hundreds of dollars down below. Thousands, if not millions of dollars are spent on each project. The good news is that there are practically a plethora of options available. You can choose from an endless number of tasks. You might be right here on this website. I'll show you a way to make a ton of money too. And you don't have to do anything. Therefore, this is a pretty lazy or laid-back method to do things. You can put in any amount of effort, and as a result of your efforts, you will be rewarded. People from various countries can be seen here too. This is happening in every country on the planet, with lots of people having the chance to make a substantial amount of money. So here they are basically categorizing our job, as you can see on the left. Usability testing registration, for example, is divided into several categories. Animation and video are downloaded by the translation app. So in this video, I'm going to save you a lot of time and effort. I'll even throw in an extra tip. I'll tell you what works and what doesn't work. You might be making a lot of money right now if you were working on it. Now, for those of you who are watching, I'd like to show you something too. I'd want to give you an extra tip, and I'd like to concentrate on this topic, which is graphics and design. All you have to do is click on this link right here, which will take you to this page, which will show you all of the projects in particular. Don't worry, you don't need any graphic design abilities, or any other technical skills for that matter. And you don't need any experience with computers. In fact, no prior experience is required. This is one of the most convenient ways to get things done. You can earn money by doing this, and you can do it as a business. Take a look at all of the projects available here if you're a complete newbie. Everyone has access to an endless number of jobs and projects. Let's have a look at an example. A project similar to this one has been posted. This employer's project requirements can be found here, and all you have to do now is click on this project to be taken to this page, where you can see that they will be paying you this amount for the project, and they will be paying in US dollars. Now you can see the project details and instructions in this section. Don't worry, you won't have to make any of the logos or graphics. All you have to do is go to freelogodesign.org and observe on their homepage that this website basically offers you free services and free software to make logos for you in literally seconds. As you can see here, these are just some of the professional logos that they've created for different companies, and they're all from different templates and designs. I'll show you exactly how to do it right now, and I'll give you a lot of examples. I'll even show you a few bonus tips right now. 1. You'll need a company name, and 2. You'll need to choose one of these categories. For example, let's say we want to work on this project, and you can enter the company name over here. The reason for doing so is that the name of the company will appear right on the logo. Moving on, you'll want to learn about the company's category. Now that we've entered the company's name, we can go on to choosing one. You can just click on this down arrow and choose one of these categories. And then as you scroll down below, you'll find the best category that fits this firm. You can just click on this, and then all you have to do is hit the Get Started button, and they'll begin loading up. As you can see, they're displaying several types of logos, and guess what? With just one click of a button, they can practically assist you in creating pages and pages of different logo designs that you may use for free. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now, I want you to scroll down and pick any of these designs. Let's assume you finish page 1 here and move on to the next page, where they'll offer you even more different logo ideas. As you can see here, the company name will appear right here on the logo design. Now, if you're not satisfied with any of these logos, or if you send them to your client on Latium.org and they're not satisfied, you can just go on and select any one of these new logos and show them again. There are just unlimited options and unlimited creative logo designs that you can choose from with just a click of a button. You don't need any technical skills and you don't need graphic skills. As I promised, this is one of the most convenient ways to generate money right now if you have no prior experience. Simply click on them and then on the add button, and they will be right here on your canvas, ready for you to make any customization or edits you desire. For example, with this logo, you can simply drag and drop it wherever you want it. You can make it bigger, smaller, or make any other adjustments you want. For example, you can add more text, change the color, change the font type and size, and drag and drop to any location you want. You can then preview this logo by simply clicking on this button. And this works on your mobile phone, your computer, and any device that you have once you're satisfied with it. All you have to do now is click the Save button to save it to your smartphone, and this is just one of the logo samples for this particular organization. When you go back to Latium.org and look at the different projects, you'll see that there are literally hundreds of projects looking to hire people like you to design different logos, and they're paying you thousands of dollars over and over again. All you have to do now is click on the Sign Up for Free button at the top, and it'll take you to this page where you can enter your email address and sign up for a free account and start making money. I'll give you a bonus if you stick with me until the end. Other than Latium.org, you can also go to Fiverr.com, which is essentially another freelancer website where you can find different similar projects as well. All you have to do is type in the keyword logo design and then click on the search button. From there, you can find different projects and different other logo design work, as you can see here. They are making a lot of money on Fiverr.com by simply assisting others in the creation of logos. There are thousands of people looking for someone to assist them in the creation of logos. And guess what? You can be one of them. All you have to do is go to freelogodesign.org and create all the logos professionally with just one click of a button. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.